If you've used Windows for a while, you may remember earlier versions, there was a feature called Power Toys. These were tools that were made by Windows developers and they were officially released by Microsoft, and they added functionality to Windows. Power Toys is now back for Windows 10, so if you do a search for Power Toys Windows 10, you'll find them and you'll be able to download them. I've downloaded it, and Fancy Zones is a really cool, interesting project that they've got on here. So with Fancy Zones, you can create zones on your screen for where windows will appear. So, for example, if we go to templates, there's some templates left already set up for you. You can pick how many columns you want, and these are how they will appear on your screen. Each of these zones, you can drop a program that you've got open into these zones so you can easily see them. So if I go back to what I've got too, I've actually got a custom setup. I've got two screens here and I've got the mirror image of each other. So we're on this screen at the moment, and if we look in the background, you can see it's sort of greyed out where these two zones are. So I hit apply, that's now been applied. What I can do is open a window, so I've got Google Chrome. If I drag the window around, but if I now hold shift, you'll see the two zones appear, and I can then drop this window into either zone, and it will automatically fit and fill that window. So if I open a new tab and drag it into this one on the right hand side, you can see it's fitted in there, so I can now have two windows open nicely on my screen and easily work productively. Nice thing is when I restart the computer, these zones will load up again and your windows will reappear in those zones that you preset. So you can have as many as you like, however you prefer to work. I like having two, so I normally have my Google Chrome in this big window here, and then down the right I will normally have Google Chat so I can talk to anyone I need to. But it's just a nice way of laying out your windows and a really simple and easy way of doing it, and it gives you a bit more flexibility over the default settings that you have in Windows 10, which is normally just half and half. But with this you can do multiple different zones and different layouts. Give it a go.